Coffee's all made and ready to go. Breakfast has been eaten, so I think it's time to go and get Red Dead and the new puppy. Oh my God, look at my eyes. I'm so tired, man. I'm so tired. Guess what I got? Guess what I got, guys? Oh yeah. But before we go anywhere, I need to fill up. Look at this beauty. Oh my God. Oh my God. Egg, bacon, sausage, cheese, tomato sauce. Well, we was going to go magnet fishing, but it's raining. So, we're playing Red Dead. Why not, eh? You like it?
It's alright. I can't see the map.
My ass is in the way. Enjoying my game there. Red Dead Redemption 2, baby. Red Dead Redemption 2. That could be interpreted the wrong way. We've actually got two surprises today. We've got this one here. And then we've also got my mum a present. A present. She doesn't really know. She's got an idea. She's got an idea. But... Hello, Coco. Hello, Coco. Gonna go home. See your new home. She's a Chihuahua crossed with a what?
Jack Russell.
Jack Russell. So we'll see if she likes it. Hello, Coco. Look at those big eyes. You're so tiny. You're so tiny. You're so tiny. You're so tiny. See how she reacts. She should be fine. She should be fine.
Oh. Oh, you're so tiny.
She's tiny.
Baby. Let's go anywhere.
Go inside where it's warm.
Oh, she's so
Who's that, Summer?
tiny.
Who is it, Summer?
I can't touch it because I'm
Is that a new one?
Hello, darling. Jack Russell Cross Chihuahua.
Who's that, Summer? Who is it?
Pickle on the bloody carpet.
Who is it?
You can keep this towel if you want because it's just an old one of mine.
Always something. You ready to go see some fireworks? Do you want to go see some fireworks? Hey, want to go see some fireworks?
No.
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 Yeah, go see a bonfire. No.
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 Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
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 I can see Bonfire.
You what? You hope they check it for hedgehogs? The hedgehogs will be checked. Let's hope we can find the place.
That door's shut.
We just got here, mate. Well, we can't wait.
Where are we?
Manic already parking up, isn't it? Come this side, guys. Look. There you go. Enjoy. It's looking a bit busy. Isn't it? They're already kicking off.
There's a burger thing.
60. Hello. We knew she'd like the speaker already.
No, they checked
Yeah.
the hedgehogs.
We went. It was on the mini golf.
Came without a coat.
Shame.
Come on then, round there. Watch where you throwing it.
Have one of them big
Go on. God. Go on, Lux, I've got a cup of tea.
Go on then, Jay.
I am.
Nightmare. Go over there to mummy.
Oh, hello.
Hi,
How much was
Ollie.
that?
£6.
£6. A lightsaber.
I'm going to destroy it. Oh my god.
And back. And go back.
Do you like it? Do you like it? Camera's like really struggling.
Surprise.
Hi Dom, bye Dom. Can't see
You just said hi, Dom, and then bye, Dom.
Hi Dom, bye Dom.
Right, can you stay with us?
You're a bit close.
Ah.
Time to get the kettle on, I think. It's been a good night. It's been a really good night, so I'm watching a bit of telly now. And wrap up the video. So today has been a roller coaster of emotions with the new puppy, everything else falling into place. It's been different. It's been very different. I've also spent time setting up my new studio, or space, whatever you want to call it. Hope you like it. There's a few little knick-knacks knocking about. Let me know what you think. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video, guys.